Okay, welcome back. This is part 15 where we have implemented hunt mode. But before I do that, I want to mention something. I'm going to mention in every video from now on, I guess. Think of this as, don't look at the numbers. Think of this as previous version. Think of this as the next version, right? So I'm going to be posting as a comment a link to all of the files. So, for example, we already have there on the playlist and YouTube part 12, we have part 13, and we have part 14, and I'll be posting the files for this video, part 15. But if you want to learn, take previous versions of the code, try your hand at prompting an AI tool, because you can play with the games, right, before and after. So you know the direction you want to go in. And the point is to try to learn to see if you can get from here to there, even if the code is not exactly the same. Okay, let's try our hand at hunting. I've currently got the player cloaked, so that's why you don't see the player there. It's like a light gray circle. Those are the robots. They're all there, they're all present. I have not enabled the robots to fire yet. We don't have that code in there. Most of the logic is there, but I was waiting probably to get to this point before giving the robots the ability to fire back. So the way I believe you're going to see is when I go into hunt mode, it's going to move and scan, and then it basically turns into fire mode when it finds one. So we'll try both of those. In fact, you know what? Let's just go through all of this first. So first of all, up here, and there it is. Okay, so right now they're after it. It's crashing everywhere. So let's do evade. Notice it doesn't crash as much. It can maneuver better. The really interesting part is when it has to maneuver around a bunch of robots. See, if I remove that evade, it starts crashing. It crashes. If I put it back, it just cloaked itself. It'll reappear. There it goes. See, it went around the robots. They could have never done that without the evade mode. Okay, let's do now. Fire undoes the evade. So that's fire mode. Let's see what happens with fire mode. It got stuck by itself. Fire mode essentially means if it happens to see one in its path, it will fire on it. It doesn't mean it's not hunting. Okay, so it saw something there. That's why it fired. See, it saw something. It just got stuck, so it cloaked, reappeared. There we go. See, it is firing. Okay, that's fire mode. So let's do hunt mode. That's more aggressive. Okay, I gotta keep bringing these robots back because it just keeps eliminating them pretty quickly. All right. So that's hunt mode. The one other feature that I added, and this is in manual mode, which I don't show much, is because I'm not really, I really am bad at it. Okay. I'm actually a bad robot player, but in manual mode, I will try to show you. All right. So I added a sliding feature. So there's the sliding feature. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Okay, so let's see. I've got to reload. Then I can go back to manual. Okay, so, oh my God. See, I'm terrible at this. I'm terrible at this. Ay, ay, ay. See, I'm trying to see how I'm sliding, but I'm just so bad at it that, ay, ay, ay. That's why I don't show it, because I'm just bad at it. But I was trying to show you the slide that it does. Okay, let's see. Anyway. All right, so I think that concludes this video. And as far as I can tell, I think I'm finally going to give the robots firing ability. So, but I'm not going to attempt to play against them. I'm just going to let it do it in auto, random mode, in hunt mode, or fire, probably hunt mode. I'd have to. So I will see you next time.